Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one we have 2e to the power of 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. E to the power of 2x dx we change by u du. U and u we have u square. And now we have the formula in here. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we have the formula in here. So number 2 I will put in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3 and number 3 in here. So number 3 and number 3 we cancel. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.